Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video of Adventures with JoJo in Brooklyn. So let's get started with this video. I hope you like it because it's a very good video. So we're going to introduce Luigi first and then Mario. So let's start with Luigi. So Luigi, you would like this. He would do that. If you want him to do that, then he would do this. One. That's I can make the noise that the fire sounds. He comes with a little fire thing. So, like, what else, you guys? The hat doesn't come off. I lost Mario's hat, but he comes with a hat. Do you know what part I liked? This is the part I liked. One. And what else I liked is now the Mario. Let's do the Mario. The only thing I like is this. That's how he throws his hat. And do you want to see what he can do? He can do this. And so I hope you like this video. Well, subscribe to other channels of Adventures with JoJo in Brooklyn. Bye.